guitar tablature is different to guitar chord diagrams. You can see here how the sixth string is on top, exactly the same as the image you're looking at underneath. The first finger, third finger, thumb on top. But when we go to read guitar tablature, it's turned upside down, which seems confusing at first, but it's not. Once you get used to this, it's much easier. This is the sixth string across the bottom here, and the fifth string, and the fourth string, third, second, first. And when you see a number, you would pick the string that the number is on. Here it says 0. So that means if you just pick the first string open, you've played that actual note. If it was a 1, you would pick the first fret on that string. Or if it was a 2, you would pick the second fret on that string. Here we see 2 zeros, just one after the other, so you would pick the string twice and you have played those 2 notes. In case you're confused, it says first string here as well. And when you see all the numbers on top of each other, that's how a downstroke or a strum is written in guitar tablature. You hit them all at the very same time. This is E minor because you can see where you're on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and also on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And all these are open. Sometimes in tablature they will give you the chord above it, but often they just give you the notes. So the 6th string is at the bottom, mostly because you sit behind your guitar looking at it and you're looking maybe down at your worksheet. So it makes much more sense to have the 6th string at the bottom in tablature, whereas we were looking at the guitar from front on here with this guitar chord, so the chord diagrams are very easy to follow just looking at the guitar front on. But often when you're playing tablature, you're actually sitting behind your guitar, in which case it actually makes it much easier to read it upside down.